We're going to have a short tutorial about how to use the Horse Show Tracker to save your horses and your memberships for ease of entry for Stock Horse of Texas shows. It does take a few minutes to set up initially, but once you get this set up, it will be much faster for you to enter horses. The first thing we're going to do is come over here to online entry. It's going to ask us which show we want to enter. There could be a long list of shows, so be sure you find our Stock Horse of Texas show. And it's going to start out with this manage people. Our account has already been set up. My name is in the account because the account is in my name. If I click on that, you can see it has my name, my email address. It might ask you to verify your email. Birth date information, that's important for our youth riders. As you scroll down, we're going to add an association. So you can select Stock Horse of Texas and type in your membership number. If you do not have a membership number, you can go to the Stock Horse of Texas website. Under the membership link, there is a membership list that has everyone who has been a member in recent times. It will have your membership number and your expiration. If you're having a tough time finding your name, do Command F and you can search. So we've added our membership number. We're going to add the association. Here, you can type in SHTX. It will help you find our number. Here's our member number, name on card, member expiration date, that first field is the year. Select card type. Type expiration date doesn't matter. You do not have to upload these, and save. So it saved my shot number. Now, if I might want to also enter some AQHA classes, I can add that as well. So we are going to select AQHA. It actually found me in the database. So now I have my Stock Horse of Texas membership and my AQHA membership. Here, this required to pay earnings. Do not enter any of this information. Stock Horse of Texas does not store this, so just go to save. And here you can add another person to the address book. You can search by their last name. Here is Jill Dunkel. Here is Sydney Dunkel. We're going to add her. Her information populates. We save. And now we have 2 riders. We're going to go back. And now we're going to add horses. So we are going to add we type in the horse's name. Several choices come up. Here is the horse I'm looking for. We're going to save. Now we're going to manage entries. Okay, a lot going on this screen. This shows that we are managing entries for this horse here. We have one competitor with 0 classes. This asks who is paying the bill. This is the same as the responsible party that is on our regular entry form. So we're going to select I am. Don't worry about this. We don't do stuff by trainers, so it is not a big deal. If you wanted to add another competitor, I just added myself there. Now I'm going to add classes. There's a very long list here. One thing we recommend is coming over here by division, highlighting which division you intend to compete in. So let's say the open, click OK. And it's going to offer me all the different open classes. You can also narrow it down by class name. All these classes are held concurrently. We're going to click here on the triangle to get a list of each one. Let's say we're going to get in the open working cow and the cowboy working cow. Be sure to hit save at the bottom. And we're going to hit save again. You can see the entries that we chose are in bold. So now we have these classes. Let's go back. And let's get in the trail. Same thing. We add those. Everything looks good there. We save again. And now you can see these classes are listed. Entry submitted successfully. Perfect. If you want to go see what you entered, you can always go to online entry. It has here manage entries, 1 horse, 1 competitor, 4 classes, and has them listed here. You are able to use this platform to scratch as long as you do it before our scratch deadline. Once the scratch deadline, the Monday, the week of the show happens, this will not be possible. After you submit your entries, you will get an email that will look like this and have everything listed. One thing to be aware of, if you are entering concurrent classes that are held together, Horse Show Tracker Online is going to show cattle fees for both classes, but we will go in and manually take those out. We will make sure that that gets fixed, and we will also ask you to look at your receipt when we email you an invoice before the show and make sure, help us double check. But these double cattle fees will be removed.